It is the final week of the mini twist challenge. I'm so excited to show you all the growth I'm receiving. So I'm going to be measuring that for you, and I hope you've had lots of growth yourself. Let's get into today's video. Welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. It really means so much for me. So I'm going to be showing you my hair after 6 weeks of wearing mini twists. I'm so happy, so excited to come to the end of this challenge. I want to say a big well done to all the ladies that has made it this far in the challenge. If you haven't even kept it for 6 weeks, well done for trying a long-term protective style. And this is what my hair is looking like. You could say I could keep it for longer, but based on the cons that I've presented, also check out that video. It is time for them to come down. My hair locks really easily in twist. If I wanted to lock my hair, the first thing I do is twist it, and within 8 weeks or so, I'd have perfectly locked hair. And so I had to take these down because my hair was starting to lock. So without any further ado, I've got my tape measure out, and it's time to look at how much growth I've received over the last 6 weeks. Remember, I was using sulfurate on my scalp, S-curl along the length of my hair, sealing that in with my favorite grease. Very simple routine and regimen. And week by week, I'd wash my hair, make sure that my scalp is clean. And so my hair is looking beautiful, and I've got some good results for such a short time. And so straight away, as you know, I took out the front of my hair and I made some braids there. So I've got no measurements really for the front of my hair because I had to take them out to make my hair look quite neat. And so there's no measurement for the front because those were only done a few weeks ago. But as you can see, as I'm pulling the crown of my hair, it looks like I've got a good amount of growth there for such a short time. Remember, set your expectations that hair grows between 1/2 inch to 1 inch every month. And I'm on the slower side of that, so 1/2 inch to just under 1 inch is how much growth I got. Anything excess of that is due to the sulfurate. And as you know, I also use virgin hair fertilizer on my hair, so you could also check out my virgin hair fertilizer playlist. I use sulfur based hair growth aids on my hair to reduce the dandruff, but also just to give me that added amount of growth. And so I was just happy with the amount of growth that I could feel, but I just thought for the purpose of this video and just to show you how much growth you could expect after wearing your hair in twist for 6 weeks, if you're on the slower side like myself, I thought I'd go ahead and measure. And so for the top of my hair, as you can see, I got just about 1 inch of growth. Very happy with that because, as I said, my hair does grow quite slowly, I think. And so just getting over just over 1 inch there in the middle, I was quite pleased with that. Remember that your hair is growing anyway, and the main thing for us to do is length retention. I wasn't so good at retaining my length last year because there was so much damage to cut away. But this year I'm really trying to hold on to all the growth that I've received using less cutting. And so I've just measured the side there, and we're going to look at how much growth I've got from the side. So I'm very pleased with that, just over 1 inch once again from the side of my hair in 6 weeks. I think that's fantastic growth, and also proved that sulfurate can also grow your natural hair. It's much more gentle than virgin hair fertilizer if you're looking for a sulfur-based product. And as you can see, I'm getting growth. You can see the growth closer over this side compared to the other side. You can really see where my hair has grown, and I love the thickness of the hair that is coming in. And as I pull that hair, you can see that it's just about 1 inch of growth that I've got. I'm very pleased with that. Please comment down below and let me know how much growth you received within this time. For a lot of you ladies, it will be a lot more than this, but this is my normal growth rate, and so I'm very happy with that. So just for consistency, I'll go into my tape measure and I'll measure how much growth I've got hair on this side of my head. And so it looks like I've got just 1 inch of growth. Once again, very happy with that. The reason why I'm measuring different areas of my hair, actually, a fun fact, my hair grows at different rates. And right there, as I'm showing you, is the 4C section of my hair. It grows really slowly and it doesn't retain a lot of length. I'm not quite sure why. There's lots of ladies with very long, all round 4C hair that grows long, but particularly for me, this side, it doesn't grow as fast as the rest. And so I wanted to get a measure in right here just to see how it's gone along. I'm really happy with the growth that I've received so far. We're only a few months into the year, and I think I've already gotten 2 inches of growth, and so I'm hoping to hold on to all of that growth so that by the end of the year I can retain at least 5 inches of growth. I've not revealed my hair growth goals on this channel but in December I will show you what they are. Because I'm keeping them to myself this year. They're very similar to last year, which is about length retention and just keeping on my natural hair journey. So for the back of my hair, I've also just got under an inch of growth. Once again, I'm happy with that. Looking at my hair looks beautiful. It is well moisturized, it's well maintained, and I'm so happy with all the growth that I've got on this challenge. I really hope you've enjoyed taking part in this challenge, and I hope you got lots of growth. Over the past 6 weeks, I've taken you week by week on my natural hair journey using mini twists to grow my natural hair. There's plenty of videos in the playlist section, especially on this challenge. I've created a whole playlist for this challenge detailing to you the benefits of using mini twists to grow your natural hair, the drawbacks of using mini twists to grow your natural hair, my wash day in mini twists, my installation of mini twists. So you want to check out all of those videos and really have a good growth guide of using mini twists to grow your natural hair. I'm going to be showing you just what I was talking about, why these twists have to come to an end and why I've got to end the challenge at 6 weeks. Sometimes my challenges roll over, but not in twists. As you can see, it's very, very difficult to take these twists out after just 6 weeks. My hair goes around itself and it believes it's time to lock, especially in the 4C sections of my hair. So the only way I would be able to carry on doing this is to keep retwisting my mini twists. However, I am a mini braids girl and I wanted to take these down and do a transitioning style, which I'm going to be using to launch the mini braids challenge, and take them down and put my hair back in mini braids. We're going to be getting maximum growth in mini braids, and I want to keep those in for a lot longer than this challenge. And so that is what I proceeded to do. I went down and started to take out some of these braids at the roots. I was finding lots of knots built up and just locking. My hair was just locking by this point. And so the takedown took a long time to get out. And can you see there, as I'm showing you, that it is locking on itself. And so they have to come down. And just a quick length shot there, just showing you how long my hair is now. If you've never had long hair before, this is the channel for you. I've never had long hair before, and so I'm really excited when I see pulling my hair how long it is. And so you can see it's growing along nicely, and we're getting to waist length this year. Every year I say we get into waist length and something goes in the way. Of course, if there is damage, I am gonna cut it away, but I'm trying my very best to retain all the length that I can this year in order to grow my natural hair long. And I'm creating videos to inspire you to do the same. Never believe that you can't achieve, because we can, and we will be achieving long hair in 2023. I'd love for you to join this wonderful community. Hit the subscribe button and speak to me in the comment section and also the community tab. I'd love to hear from you how you're getting on. Also, look out for the launch of the mini braids challenge. We're going to be growing our hair long using mini braids, and I know you love the mini braids challenge, so I'll be creating tons of videos using mini braids to grow my natural hair, and I hope you subscribe and join on to that challenge. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I just want to say I love you all very much. You've really encouraged me on this channel to grow, to research, and to really take care of my natural hair. So have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. God bless. Bye bye.